Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to go through an anxiety release meditation. In this meditation, you're going to find simple techniques that are going to work to help you release anxiety. So, we'll get going here. If you want to take a nice deep breath in, and if you're in a space where you can safely close your eyes, go ahead and do so. And you're going to find that as you close your eyes and as you breathe naturally, your body relaxes. You find that your legs and arms start to feel a nice heaviness to them. If your feet are connected to a surface like the floor, just noticing what that feels like. Or if they're up on a chair or on any other surface, just noticing what that feels like. When we shift our attention to the feeling of, let's say, something touching our feet, it actually helps the mind relax, which in turn helps the body relax. Just taking in a nice deep breath here and coming to a natural breath afterwards. On your next breath in, imagine a light surrounding you. This beautiful light just emanates. Maybe emanates a color. Notice that. Be aware without judgment, of course, of how you notice that. Maybe you can feel the light. Maybe you see it. Maybe you just sense it's there or know it's there. No matter what, whether it's hypnosis, meditation, visualization, sensing, no matter what, there is no good, no bad, no right or wrong. So just allowing that light to be around you. Finding yourself going deeper relaxed as time goes on. Let go of the sounds around you. Just focusing on the sound of my voice. Now, imagining a beautiful place around you. Notice that beautiful place. Maybe it's somewhere you've been before, maybe it's all brand new. Get a sense of that place or visualize that place. See it there in your mind's eye. Notice details in that place. Sensations maybe, or thoughts about it. Maybe even sounds. And as you notice yourself in that beautiful place, I want you to find a place to sit down and relax. Maybe it's a chair or on the ground. Whatever comes to you is just perfect. As you sit there, breathe naturally. Notice how your breath gently comes into the lungs, filling up the lungs, and on the release breath, letting go of any tension in the body. So here, as you sit there, this is where I'm going to teach you a technique. I want you to imagine or take note of something coming up that you might have a little bit of anxiety about. Something in the future that you're feeling anxious about. Imagine a bubble, like when you were kids and you blew bubbles, and that bubble is floating out in front of you. And you're going to place that event or time that is in your future into the bubble. All the anxiety just flows into the bubble with the event or time or place. Now, as you notice that bubble floating out in front of you, as you are sitting there in this beautiful place, what you're going to do in your mind is, and we'll start with 3. I want you to come up with 3 bullet points in your mind, 3 short sentences that are said in past tense, and I'll give you an example. They're said in past tense as if what you see in the bubble has already happened and everything went well. I'm going to give you an example of getting on an airplane and going traveling. So you put the airplane and the travel in the bubble, of course, and you come up with 3 little past tense sentences. Again, this is an example, and I'll let you have time to do this on your own in your mind. The plane and the vacation is in the bubble. And I'm saying to myself, everything went well. I caught my flight on time. The flight was easy. I felt so relaxed on the flight. I had good food while flying. I listened to good music, or I watched a good movie while I flew. You can see how all those sentences are in past tense, as if I'm already at my destination. And so I'm going to give you a moment here. I want you to notice what is inside that bubble. What is causing you a little bit of anxiety coming up? It's inside the bubble. And imagine whatever's inside the bubble has already happened. And you are saying sentences to yourself that are in past tense as if you're on the other side of it and everything went well. So go ahead. I'm going to give you a minute here. Breathe through it. Let your subconscious mind bring you what you need. Don't think too hard. And gently coming back to the sound of my voice. How did you do? Now, I want you to notice the event, time, place in that bubble. And now I want you to think about that coming up. Notice, can you find the anxiety, that old emotion, the same way? Some people experience no anxiety. Isn't that lovely? Some people say it's moved. I feel it in a different part of my body. Some people say it's less. It's less anxiety. No matter what, we're going to go through this again and just say those sentences to yourself once more. And now, coming back to the sound of my voice, how did that go for you? Just notice. No judgment, no good or bad, no right or wrong. The reason this works, this technique of thinking about it having already happened and speaking to the mind as if it's already happened, is this idea that the subconscious mind does not know the difference between what is real and what is pretend. This might be new to you, and I'll explain how it goes. Think about when you think about something that causes you anxiety. The mind, the subconscious mind, is thinking that it's happening right now, that you're going through it right now because it's imagining that time or speaking to that person or going to that party or whatever might be bringing you some anxiety. So it's a little trick. You're tricking your mind in a way to have the belief that it's already happened. It's already taken place. And you're on the other side of it now. And you are speaking gently to the mind in reassuring tones, in reassuring messages. It all went well, right? We felt good. We spoke to people easily, right? There's so many sentences that you can say to yourself. So when the subconscious mind recognizes, or I don't like to use the word tricked, but I'm going to use the word tricked. When we trick the subconscious mind into imagining that it's already over, it eases the anxiety. So I encourage you, when you wake up at night with anxiety, thinking about something coming up, or your morning anxiety, or anything's got you anxious throughout the day, try not to say to yourself, like we all do, it's going to be okay, it's going to be okay, it's going to be okay. The subconscious mind does not accept that. So do this instead. If something is coming up, imagine that something, but imagine yourself on the other side of it. It's already happened. Everything went easily. Everything went well. So, notice yourself in that beautiful place. Okay. If that bubble is still out in front of you, I want you to either do two things. One, let it float away. Float away into the ethers. Or two, pop it if you wish. So go ahead and do that now. And gently coming back to the sound of my voice. Taking in a deeper, gentle breath. Now, there are many techniques that I'm going to be teaching you over the course of the school, but I'll leave you with this one today. I'm not going to give you too much to try to wrap your mind around. So try this out. Try it out and let me know. I will post a question asking how it went for you. And if you want, let me know and I can help you with anything that came up for you. So I'm going to count to 3. When I get to 3, you'll open your eyes, feeling more and more alert, relaxed, much less anxious, and ready for your morning, afternoon, or evening. 1, feeling good, feeling relaxed. 2, wiggling the fingers and toes, moving energy through the body. And 3, opening your eyes, feeling alert yet relaxed, ready to release anxieties.